Welcome to Western Peninsula. We have one floor remaining here of 9,000 square feet. It can be split from 4,000 square feet upwards.
We've been listening to what occupiers want from their office in terms of social and collaborative areas, energy efficiency, and also access and car parking, which is pretty good here. Come to think of it, it ticks all the boxes.
Just plug and play and you're away. With superfast INIFI connectivity, you can get going on day one. The space has been designed to reflect the new ways of working, with zones for collaboration, concentration and relaxation. The suite is configured in a way that can be adapted for specific tenant requirements, with a current fit out of the whole floor plate, or split to create two suites from 4,000 square foot.
The building benefits from new LED lighting, VRF air conditioning, EPC-B, a great parking ratio of 1 to 215, and on-site cycle storage, showers and changing facilities. A sleek and modern design kitchen, perfect for a lunchtime break, and if you have enough time, fancy a game of pool?
Where is everyone? Oi! Aren't you two supposed to be doing some work? Right, let me show you how to do this properly.
So that's Western Peninsula Bracknell. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any more questions or would like to have a look, please contact us on the details below.